Hi, computer friends. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, I'm excited to share how our RCO and VCO series are stepping into the next level of performance. With support for Intel Core Processors Series 2, we're expanding compute power and scalability for demanding edge workloads, while maintaining the same rugged design our customers rely on. So let's take a closer look at what Intel Core Processors Series 2 really bring to the table. These processors deliver stronger hybrid performance for modern edge computing. With up to 24 cores and 32 threads combining performance cores and efficient cores, they're built to handle mixed workloads. Memory capacity also expands, supporting DDR5 5600, giving you greater headroom for data-intensive applications. On the graphics side, integrated Intel UHD graphics is well suited for HMI and visualization systems. And with PCIe 4.0 high-speed USB and Wi-Fi, connectivity is ready for today's high-bandwidth deployments. Now, beyond performance, there is another major advantage: drop-in compatibility. Intel Core Processors Series 2 are pin-to-pin compatible with 13th Gen Intel Core processors. That means if you're running Raptor Lake platforms, you can upgrade performance without redesigning your board, chassis, or overall system. For system integrators, this reduces validation time and lowers deployment risk. Across Premio's RCO and VCO series, the upgrade fits seamlessly into existing platforms, protecting your investment while extending lifecycle and compute capability. When comparing 13th Gen TE processors to Intel Core Processors Series 2, the maximum core and thread counts remain the same. The real difference comes in frequency and sustained performance. For example, the top-tier Core 7 251 TE reaches up to 5.4 GHz, compared to 5.0 GHz on the 13th Gen Core processor. Series 2 also introduces a 45-watt power class option, allowing stronger sustained performance. The result is measurable gains. Based on benchmark comparisons, the top-tier Intel Core Processor Series 2 delivers up to 46% higher overall CPU performance than its 13th Gen TE equivalent. This means stronger real-world performance, even within the same core configuration. And this is where everything comes together. Intel Core Processors Series 2 integrate seamlessly into our existing RCO and VCO series systems. That means you can scale performance while keeping your current board layout, chassis design, and system architecture intact. You also benefit from extended lifecycle support, helping ensure long-term deployment stability for industrial environments. So ultimately, it's simple: more performance, same rugged platform, and no disruption to your deployment.